According to Chief Innocent Chukwuma, the factory itself is 20,000 square meters. I'm speaking with Chief Innocent Chukwuma, Chairman, CEO, Innocent Vehicle Manufacturing Company.
What we are trying to do here is motor manufacturing. It's expansion of Innocent Vehicle. What Innocent Vehicle are manufacturing is the expansion for the big trucks and trailer bags.
Big trucks
Big trucks,
and trailer bags.
And also
Okay.
the CNG buses. Here is total investment because big trucks is massive.
Big.
Trucks are big. What we are doing, we need a large space like this. We need a large space like this.
Okay.
Large space can be possible.
Okay.
You cannot do it in a small area. Any business must have line. It doesn't matter. Everybody produces his own plan.
Okay.
And sell according to his quality. If your own is okay, market will accept. If your own is not okay, market will reject it.
The size of the factory alone is intimidating. The length definitely longer than 100 meters or almost. This is amazing. As we heard from him, he will be manufacturing trucks and heavy-duty vehicles here. Innocent has placed Nnewi on the map of car manufacturing in the world. Kudos to Chief Innocent Chukwuma, Chairman, CEO, Innocent Vehicle Manufacturing Company.